In today's video, I'll show you how to replace the engine air filter on a 2023 Mazda CX-5. First thing you gotta do is pop open the hood. Okay, if you take a look to the right of the engine, you're gonna see this box right here. This is your air box. Your filter's right underneath there. On the air box, in the front of the air box, you're gonna see two clips. One right there, and one on the other side. Those two clips right there are the ones you have to just pop off to open the air box. Pretty simple. Pop one, pop two. Now the airbox cover, pick up this front section and then slide it forward or towards you, and it should come right up. Okay. To show you on the back side, there's three tabs. One, two, and there's a third one down there. So when you pull the box forward, you slide in those tabs out of their place. Then you can just lift the cover right up. Being careful not to, damage any wiring and stuff that's connected to this. You can go ahead and remove your air filter. You can see the difference between the new one and the old one. See how the new one's not as dark as the old one? And I'm sure the engine's gonna breathe much better. Pick this up out of the way. Take the filter, drop it in place. Okay, nothing special here. Now you got to be careful. This wire back here, it kind of gets underneath the tabs. So we're going to line up these tabs. All right, I'm going to pick up the front so the tabs go down and get them into place. It's hard to see, but once you get them in there, you'll know they're in. Now make sure this is sealed correctly, because if it's not, you're going to get codes on the computer. Go ahead, pop those clips back on, and you are done. There's nothing to that. You'll be able to do that air filter now by yourself. I'll have a link for the air filter down in the description area if you guys want to check that out. Any questions or comments, put them down below. I'll get to them as soon as I can. And I wish you all a great day, and God bless.